Alrighty, day one, part two, Toyota Corolla VE, 1998. 20th century we're talking now. Alright, it's the Ole Work Horse, and it's the rear hatch, rear trunk, rear bumper, aerosol painting, rattle can painting. Right now it is sanding time, So let me show you what I'm working with here. So this here, let's see. Right here we got here the rear spoiler. A lot of pitting right there going through. I'm going to start off with, say, about 500 grit. Okay, I don't really want to even go into the primer. So I'm going to start off with 500 grit, starting from the top. Then I'll work down to here. So I'm going to start here in this area. You can see that's the old touch-up paint that we'd been using for a while. I've been using. Get rid of all that. See all that, and then just dark and dingy right there, and all right down there at the very bottom. Bumper, yeah, touch up. Nothing gashed in the bumper, fortunately. Fortunately, nothing's gashed in there. But I just want to give you an overview of what everything kind of looks like. I've already prepped it and washed it in part one. So, you know, just sand that down. I'm going to start off the highest grit that I can. I don't want to burn into the primer. I do have primer paint if necessary. But really, hopefully it should